Alright guys, today is a good day. Do you know why? Because I found one more amazing website where you can use Nano Pro AI image generator and editor for free. So let's jump into it. As I promised you to post short and no BS videos, our website is called Fellow AI. Here you need to sign up first, choose an AI image, and you will see the Nano Pro module right here. First I'm gonna ask the AI to make a Christmas poster. I'm dropping in this detailed prompt, and since this one is just a quick example, we don't really need to mess with the aspect ratio or resolution. So let's give it a few seconds and see what we get. It actually came out way better than I expected. Now let's try something a bit more complex. I want a cinematic, ultra-realistic scene of a massive gorilla fighting a Superman hero right in the middle of the streets of New York. And now I want to switch to this aspect ratio and 4K quality, so let's test it out. A few seconds of waiting guys, and here's how our image turned out. I'm honestly blown away by what AI can do these days. Just look at all the details. It's crucial to mention that you have 200 free credits daily, and you can also earn credits by completing tasks right here. So creating images with the Nano Pro module here is not unlimited, but still, you can use different emails and generate more than just 3 or 4 images daily. At the time I'm recording this video, by choosing different resolutions you will be charged with different amount of credits. But by the time you're watching it, this might have changed. Alright guys, last prompt for today. I've got my thumbnail, and I want to add a tarantula on me plus a snow effect. The aspect ratio matters here because I don't want the AI to change my image. So we will wait a few seconds again and see what we get. I know most of you probably aren't surprised by this anymore, but I still get super excited when testing AI tools like this. I recently posted a video about 6 websites where you can use Nano Pro module for completely free. Some websites have become paid, but some are still free, so don't hesitate to check them out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this short but informative video, and if you want more tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe.